Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Reuben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you, by popular demand, a Royal Mint product.
A Royal Mint product.
Can you believe it?
I can't. I'm not sure if the viewers will be able to either. But we've actually got a few products from the Royal Mint coming through in the next little bit. So this is the first of a few deliveries. And Michael and I breathed a bit of a sigh of relief seeing this big box because we've attempted to get into ones like this before and they're quite difficult. They
a la the Panda.
Yes, had to break out the tools, but thankfully this one was a little bit easier to break into. And we have some interesting products inside.
So these are from the Royal Mint. These are Una and the Lion. So for this year, so this is the 20. This is the 10 ounce silver bar. So beautiful design, like you can't fault them on their design.
No.
And actually these ones look good.
They're looking clean.
Those, don't worry about those, that's just my fingers, the heat from my fingers. So a beautiful design. You've got the traditional Una and then the lion in the background there as her protector.
I'll throw up on the screen as well what the translation of that text on the bottom is as well, because I have to admit my Latin's not terribly good.
It's an interesting story if you ever go into it.
Okay.
About, you know, how they were meant to, I'm trying to remember now, but something about...
You've started down this road.
That's right. Now, look it up. Look it up.
All right.
It's an interesting story though. I won't mislead you on it. On the other side, we've got the Royal Mint, obviously, 10 ounce, 4 nines, fine silver.
Look at that patterning. I really like that. You get kind of the mirror, you know, to the point that we can almost see you in it there, but you've also got this really intricate kind of pattern there, and I think that looks really cool.
They've done a magnificent job with the 10 ounce.
Yep.
It looks great. The design looks great. The bar looks great. I probably will just leave it there. And then in the 1 ounce, it's an absolute replica of that. No, I was trying to do a sneaky, but it's not going to work.
Let's do the proper unpacking.
Yeah. So they come in sheets.
Yeah.
So the 10 ounces in 2 in a sheet. The 1 ounce though, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 20 in a sheet.
20.
So that doesn't mean you have to buy 20 unless you want a full sheet, and then you have to buy 20. But there's 20 in a sheet. You can buy 1, you can buy 101, however many you're after.
And yeah, you still get that same design with that same cool patterning as well.
Look, as much as I've criticised Royal Mint over these last several months, I think this one's beautiful. I think they've done a great design.
This is looking nice. You know, we like to give credit where it's due, and yeah,
I think they've nailed it with this one. So very limited numbers. We've got them while we've got them. I doubt, you never say never in this business, but I doubt very much we'll bring any more in. But we've got a small selection in now. If these are your burn, grab them while you can, because once they're gone, they're done and dusted. Anything else, Rubes?
No, just excited to see a bit of a winner product through from the Royal Mint. Good to see you, and yeah, we'll hope that the other ones coming through come with just as much success.
Yeah, full marks, Royal Mint. Thanks very much. We'll talk again very soon. See ya.